5 sun salutations. Let's come to the front of our mat. We're going to do 2 sun salutation A's and 3 sun salutation B's that are going to get us really motivated to take on the day. So, standing in mountain pose, standing tall. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead, reaching. Exhale, forward fold. So hands coming down to the mat, head to knees. Inhale, coming up halfway, look forward. Stepping into plank. Lower down, chaturanga. So lower down to low plank. Inhale, reaching chest forward, lifting into our upward dog. Exhaling into downward dog. May I make note that you can also do a cobra if the upward dog is too strong. So you don't need to straighten your arms, you just reach forward with your chest and lift. Okay, so we're in our down dog, looking forward, stepping both feet to the front of the mat, and up to fingertips. Lengthen spine, look forward. So the hands can even dangle over the mat. Okay, we're going to exhale. We're going to bring our hands down into a full forward fold. So bending knees, so letting the knees be as bent as needed. Inhale, rising up, standing. Arms about the side, reaching upward. And we're going to come back down. So flow right into our second sun salutation. Hand comes down to the floor, head to knees. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward, so flatten our back. Again, if your hands don't touch the ground, they can just hang. Okay, so stepping back into plank, bending the knee step, 1 foot, 2 foot, back to plank. We can also be in knee plank as well. Tightening abdomen, so lifting the belly button into the back. Lower down. Elbows, trying to come to the side. I know a lot of people's elbows splay out. Try this next time to bring them into the body. Inhale, lifting. This is cobra. This is up dog. Make your choice, whatever feels better for you today. Bending the knees, coming into down dog. Spreading the hands, let the head drop down. Shaking the head out, just enjoying this pose. If you don't enjoy it much, maybe bend the knees a little bit. Maybe try to take some of the weight off the hands. Breathing. Trying to rotate the shoulders. So trying to rotate the upper arms so externally. So they're trying to open up. Bringing the shoulders a little bit more into their sockets. On your next inhale, look forward, stepping both feet to the front of the mat, up to fingertips. So we're lengthening. Exhale, full forward fold, so bending the knees. Let the head drop down. Inhale, standing. Lifting arms up overhead, reaching. Exhale, back to center. Sun salutation B. It's a little bit more energetic, a little bit more going on. It's a stronger set of sun salutations. So we're going to start off in chair pose. So inhale, sitting down, lifting, hands upward. Exhaling, forward fold, so hands come down. Bending the knees with the hands on the ground. Inhale, rise up halfway. So we're straightening legs, look forward, stepping into plank. Lower down, low plank. So again, elbows, trying this time, bring the elbows tighter, bringing the abdomen tighter as we lower down, trying to make that 90-degree angle with the arms so we're not all the way down. Okay, now we can come down, tops of the feet on the ground, lifting, cobra, up dog. You have the knees on the floor or up. Lots of options this morning. Exhaling into our downward dog. So we're not resting yet in down dog, stepping the right foot forward between the hands. It can take a couple hops forward. The left heel comes down. The foot is at a slight angle. Slowly lifting up, the front knee bent, rising up into our warrior one, strong pose. We exhale, hands down. Step into plank. Lower down, another low plank. Inhale, lifting into cobra or up dog. Another one of these. Exhaling, down dog. Inhale, left foot between hands, right heel comes down. So we have that angle with the foot. The front knee is bent. Lifting arms upward. Big inhale. Exhale, hands flow down to the floor. Frame that foot. Step into plank. Another low plank. Lowering down, chaturanga. Inhale, reaching chest forward. Lifting. into our upward dog. Really reaching forward with the chest, feeling the backs of the feet on the ground, almost pulling on the ground. Exhaling, down dog. If that felt quite energetic, you can always drop into child's pose. So we're all at different stages of our experience with yoga, or frequency of yoga. So it doesn't matter, as long as we're moving, as long as we're trying these different poses. Okay, we're stepping both feet forward, come up to fingertips. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, we're going to sweep into chair now. So we're coming out of the sequence by starting off where we were in this pose. So lifting arms, sitting down. So try to sit down as much as possible. And coming back again. Okay, so 2 more of these. Inhale, sweeping hands into our chair to sitting down. Good. So the arms are going to lift, the shoulders are back. Exhale, hands coming down to the floor, head to knees. Inhale, rise up. So straighten legs at forward. So hands can dangle. They can be on the fingertips. Step back into plank. Low down, low plank, chaturanga. Look at the arms, trying to hug the elbows into the side. Inhale, lifting into our choice. Cobra up dog. Reaching forward, exhale, down dog. Inhale, right foot between hands, left heel comes down. Strong right knee directly over ankle, lifting. Feeling both feet grounded in the floor to stabilize us. Hands come down, frame the foot. Step into plank, another low plank. I told you this is energetic. Inhale, lifting chest forward, lifting into our cobra or up dog. Straight arms reaching. Exhale and down dog. Inhale, left foot between hands. Right heel comes down. Front knee bent over the ankle. Lifting arms up overhead. Feeling that stretch in the right hip flexor. Exhale, hands come down. Stepping into plank. Another low plank. Elbows hugging. Tighten our abdomen, keeping our abdomen engaged. Inhale, lifting. Coming up into either cobra or up dog with straight arms. Exhale, down dog. Okay, so are your palms lifted? If they are, push them into the mat. So our hands, a lot of good things with our hands. They help us, they help stabilize us, they help ground us. But we need to use them. So fingertips, fingers, knuckles, palms, pushing into the mat, taking some of that weight off the wrists. Let the head drop down. On your next inhale, step into both feet to the front, come up to fingertips. Feel, or dangling. And I know that not everyone can have straight legs with the feet, the hands on the ground. Okay, so we're coming down to our full forward fold by bending the knees. Coming down. So the hands are now on the ground. Bend the knees as much as possible for the hands to be on the ground. So we have this bent knees. We can keep this here. We're going to lift up our arms into our chair. And then come back. One more. The sun salutation B's tend to get you a little bit out of breath. Okay, deep breath in, sweeping into chair. So sitting down, making sure the knees don't overshoot as well. We're not trying to put too much pressure on the Achilles. Still see some toes. Lifting up arms, engaging the back. Exhale, forward fold. Knees are bent, hands are on the ground. Now, straighten legs. The fingers rise up, hands rise up. Stepping back into plank now. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, lifting chest forward. Cobra or upward dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right foot sweeps forward between the hands. The left heel comes down. Front knee bent, lifting arms overhead. Strong, both feet are pushing into the mat. Exhale, hands come down. Step into plank. Low plank, chaturanga. Elbows holding us stable. Inhale, lifting. Cobra or up dog. Exhale, rolling over to down dog. Inhale, lifting left foot. Forward between the hands, right heel comes down, lifting arms up into a warrior one. Exhale, hands come down, frame the foot, step into plank. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, reaching chest forward, lifting. Upward dog. exhale, come downward dog. Okay, down dog, final one. Let the head drop down, lifting up the tailbone, engaging the legs, lifting the kneecaps to engage the quads. That will allow the back, the hamstrings to really stretch out. Maybe walking the feet forward, driving the heels down a little more. The heels do not need to push all the way into the mat. You can bend the knees slightly. Finding length in the body, finding length in the spine. On your next inhale, forward stepping both feet to the front of the mat. Coming up to fingertips or dangling. Exhale, bending knees to make full contact with hands on the mat. Inhale, sweeping into chair again, so the knees are still bent, lifting the arms. And then coming back to the center. Ready to take on the day. Ready to take on, if you're watching this midday, just allowing yourself to take a bit of a break, get things moving. Where everything, that tension in the body that happens from lack of movement, so whatever you could do to just get moving, the morning or throughout the day, you will have a lot of benefits and you will thank yourself for it. So hopefully see you soon.